Well, hello everyone, Blue Asia, and I'm back. Dan is back, and this time it's Dolomite Beach. It's a white sand beach here in Manila, in front of the bay, and it's really nice. They poured a lot of millions of pesos to make it. It should be very nice. I'm gonna take you a short round here. It's not so big. Still preparing it to go inside the water because you cannot just, the water quality is not so good. So we're gonna do it now. Right on my back, as you see. Let me take you for a round. I'm gonna get close to the water and see what's the quality of it. People are coming to chill out here. You can see a process of cleaning over there. A lot of people making selfies, photos. Hello. It's actually cleaning it. Lots of workers cleaning here. You can see the quality of the water is still not good. They like sealed it. You see, with some kind of floating, I don't know what is that, pipes or something. And this is the way they're. Hi.
Hello.
So you're picking up all the trash from inside. Oh, very nice. Oh,
Good. Every day, every morning.
every day, yeah. Until it's clean, and
Yeah,
closed.
that's very easy. But if we have the every day
High tide,
high tide,
it's a problem.
yeah, this is a problem because the water level is coming up.
Okay.
You are come from sir?
Israel.
Oh, Israel.
Yes.
How
yes.
long you stay here?
Oh, 1 month and a half.
So what do you think in Manila, Dolomite?
Very good.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah, everywhere is good.
Yeah.
The people make it.
Yes.
People are happy. So
Yeah,
that's-
Philippines is good.
that doesn't matter where you go.
Yeah.
Go to Visoria, you go Makati.
Yeah.
Same thing. Hello po.
Wow.
Yeah.
Namasyal na siya. Yeah, it's around.
Enjoy. Continue.
Oh, sige na. Naliligo na kami. Ito naman daw. Hi mga kapars. Alex, don't do that one.
Heart of Manila. that?
Put it back. It's dirty.
I think that's about it. Still in the work process. I'm sure this beach will be very full. But it's not actually white sand, because it's white stones for now. Gravel. Looks white sand, but it's not. Maybe they'll put above it later on. Let's ask locals, what do you think about it? So, hello, how are you doing?
Good morning.
Rex TV, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm BlueAsia, how are you doing?
Who come from?
Israel.
Oh, Israel.
Yes, my channel is BlueAsia.
BlueAsia.
Yes, everybody.
Please subscribe BlueAsia channel.
BlueAsia, you'll see right BlueAsia Jerusalem. You see me and see all my people Rex TV. Remember, he has also live chat. He's live now. Also, you have to subscribe more, my subscribers, please. He's really good all the time, live action. So, what do you think about this Dolomite Beach already?
Dolomite is very nice place for me.
Yeah.
For you, sir, what can you see?
Yeah, I see a start, good start. I think they're gonna finish it, renovate it, right?
Wow.
And hopefully that we can go in the water. Want to swim a little bit, but it takes time, right? It takes time to make it ready, to take out the water quality as well.
Water quality level is not very high pa. Very high.
Yeah.
So,
If there's high tide also,
High tide.
it's bringing dirt, but I believe it will be okay. But, so,
sir, you can speak Tagalog?
no,
No? Yeah.
little bit. Chismis.
Chismis, Marites.
Marites.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, Marites.
Tagalog like sir na salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat. Thank
Yeah.
you very much po.
Oo naman. Kikit mo talaga. I know. I can understand. I can understand more than I can speak. Yeah, a little bit.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so-
salamat po.
Rex TV. Adventure. BlueAsia.
BlueAsia.
Blue
Please
Asia.
subscribe BlueAsia.
Please subscribe Rex
from
TV. Not,
Israel, vlogger from Israel.
maybe we'll collaborate. I'll write in the comments. We can collaborate.
Thank you very much.
Okay, take care. See you. And what channel is this guy?
Ate Melgi.
Ate Milgi. Why you don't say Ate Milgi? Okay, good
channel
term.
mo, sir?
BlueAsia.
BlueAsia.
Yes, yes.
Subscribe BlueAsia
Yeah, let
from
me see.
Israel, mga bayan.
They can see me? Oh, okay, they can see me. Very good.
Live.
Yeah, I see.
Ayan.
Oh, you see myself. Where?
Live. Mo kuya Mike. Ayan.
Wow. It's so
Mahina tayo
good.
sa Inglesan eh, Tagalog lang talaga. What is your name, sir? What is your
name?
Yan, oh.
BlueAsia, you see about Jerusalem, Israel.
Jerusalem.
My name is Dan.
John.
Dan,
Yes, sir,
yeah.
John. Thank you very much, sir, John.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice to meet you,
Dan,
sir, John.
Dan.
Ah,
Dan.
Sir Dan, Sir Dan. Thank you very much.
Anong pangalan mo?
Rex
Rex
TV. Rex TV.
And?
Mike.
Mike. Okay. So be seeing you.
This channel is
will be
Ate
good
Milby.
to you.
Ate Milby. Real name is Mike.
Mike. Oh, very good. Okay. That's a nice stand you got. I got
My
like
name
that.
is real name is Rix.
Rix.
Apa.
Okay.
Channel Rix TV.
Rix TV. Yeah, it's close to the channel.
Yeah. Sir Dan, thank you very much and
Yep.
nice to meet you.
You too.
Thank you, sir.
You too. Bye. See you around.
YouTube also.
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah.
Blue Asia.
Yeah, BlueAsia.
See you. You too. God bless. So what do you think about this place here that they're making?
So nice to be here.
Nice, huh? They're still not ready. Be ready, can go in the water. That's what I heard. Yeah. Thank you. See you. See you. And that's about it. I mean, still not ready, so